Today we're installing my rear lights from F150 LEDs. They come with all these cool goodies, but my favorite one is this Swedish fish here. That is the field installation snack. It says it cures potential fatigue, confusion, and or possible frustration during installation. Thanks. First we start by installing the mounting brackets on the lights. Mine had a burr in it, so I needed Kris to muscle it in there for me. We had to improvise on a few things, but eventually we got it. Next, it was time to mount it to my truck. This is when we found out I actually have an aftermarket bumper, so it was a lot of improvising we had to do. Next up is everybody's favorite part, the wiring. After an hour under the truck, we got it all figured out. Since we were missing a switch in the kit, we decided to make our own. It looks like it's always been there. And here's the final test when we were done.
Oh my God. Damn.
I have to say, I am so excited about this. These are so bright, almost as bright as my future. But seriously though, this is going to help loading the trailer up at night.